Sa ganitong decision, sir?
Wala na yan.
Let's just wait. We'll just wait for the motions on the floor in less than an hour. And then we're thankful to the Senate President that is very magnanimous in the position that we presented to him. And we thank him and his group for
When did it start?
transition.
So ano lang yung basis? Ano yung basis, sir? Basis
Sir,
lang.
reason nyo bakit kailangan mag-install ng panibagong center?
Sir, baka kayo sa kanyang reason, sir?
Sir, kahit sa inyo, sir, personally, sir. Sir, sa inyo.
Wala tayong, I don't want to, I don't want to,
But
I don't
something
want to damper the mood of today's very important and historic occasion. So I would just like to
sorry po. I'm had something to do, sir, with CA. Sir, CA.
Para sa naman, nung pinag-usap sa CA membership, sir, kung pinag-usap niya sila sa kanya,
He was very magnanimous, and we thank him for that.
And you're okay with being majority leader, sir?
Yeah, it's going to be my fourth ride in the saddle as majority leader. Nakaapat na akong majority leader in 4 Congresses, so I'll be glad to serve. Trabaho lang naman ang gagawin namin, trabaho lang. And I think with Senator Soto, nakita niyo naman the former Senate President and hopefully the future Senate President. He's kind-hearted, hardworking. Ano siya, yung integridad ng Senado palaging iniisip niya. And magkakaroon naman ng fresh start for the 20th Congress. I think that's the most important is that sa dalawang kongreso na kasama ko siya bilang Senate President, nakita ko yung kanyang leadership style. It's one of consensus, it's one of consultation. Ibabalik namin yung weekly consultations every Monday. Mag-host siya ng lunch sa taas every Monday before session. And I think that's a way that he can show his leadership style. So we'll leave it at that, and hopefully you can watch the proceedings this afternoon. And sana naman wala nang away. Gusto ko namin sana wala nang away. Katulad na nangyari sa amin, resign na lamang, and then we just allow the change of leadership to proceed.
Sir, sorry, kailan po nag-umpisa po pag-ikot ng resolution para i-install si Senator Soto bilang SP?
It's a convergence of minds.
Sir, since last week?
Maybe middle of the week. Kasi nga, medyo...
What was the last straw? What was the last straw, sir?
The one I used last night. Okay na yun, leave it on that. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.